How to wear a brooch in December without looking like your aunt at the office party. Ah, December. The one month when wearing sparkly accessories at 10 a.m. is not only acceptable but highly encouraged. Enter the brooch. That humble little pin that can instantly turn a dull outfit into a "who invited the fashion editor" moment. Number 1. On the coat lapel. The classic, I mean business but festive look. Pin a rhinestone snowflake brooch to your coat's lapel and watch strangers assume you just came from an editorial meeting at Vogue Noel. Bonus points if your coat is red or emerald green. Instant Mrs. Claus, but make it chic. Number 2. On a turtleneck. Because Audrey Hepburn would definitely approve. If you still think brooches are for grandmothers, try one on a black turtleneck. It's simple, modern, and says, "I read French poetry by the fire." Rhinestone stars or pearl clusters work beautifully, tiny constellations of confidence. Number 3. On a scarf. Cozy Glam. 101. Wrap yourself in a chunky knit scarf, then add a brooch to keep it in place. Voila. Practical and stylish, it's the only time your neck warmer doubles as jewelry. Number 4. Clustered on a coat. Go full holiday movie heroine. This season, more is more. Mix vintage florals with sparkly snowflakes for that curated chaos effect. It's jewelry maximalism meets Grandma's jewelry box exploded in the best way possible. Number 5. On your beanie. Because why should ears have all the fun? Add a small brooch to one side of your winter hat. It quietly says, "Yes, I'm freezing, but I'm also fabulous." Number 6. On a gift ribbon. Because you're that extra. True brooch lovers don't just accessorize themselves, they accessorize their gifts. Swap the bow for a rhinestone brooch, and suddenly your presents have their own couture moment. So, ready to pin down your holiday look? Explore my brooch collection at Zaza of Canada. Links in the description. And whatever you do, don't forget the photo. Before the eggnog kicks in, tag at Zaza of Canada on Instagram and show off your sparkle. Because December is the month when brooches rule, and subtlety takes a holiday. If you love brooches and jewelry, I've listed a few beautiful books below. Yes, they're affiliate links. A girl's gotta fund her next brooch addiction somehow. And while you're here, don't stop at just one sparkle story. Check the links in the description for more fashion and DIY blogs on Zaza of Canada. Trust me, your next favorite brooch idea is waiting right there. If you love brooches and jewelry, you might just fall for this book too. And yes, affiliated links, of course. A girl's gotta fund her next brooch addiction somehow. Vintage Jewelry Design. Classics to Collect and Wear hardcover by Caroline Cox and Gerda Flockinger. And don't forget, subscribe to our emails. And be the first to know about new collections and exclusive offers.